YouTube. So this is what followed me home yesterday. I went out to go do a welding job. Just some welds and brackets on a piece of I-beam. Nothing too, 5 brackets, whatever. Nothing too serious. Got talking with the guy, and he said, "Yeah, I had an old mill welder that I got scrap tomorrow." I'm like, "You do?" I post my interest right up. I'm like, "Well, I have a habit of buying welders. I can't pass up a good deal, even if I should. But this is what it is, even if most of the time they don't always turn out to be good deals. But this is what followed me home. It is for the blue. It's a Miller. Let me see if I can get some more light. There we go. That's a little bit better. Sorry for the cough. But it's a Miller blue charger, CC DC welder / battery charger, and powered in set. I have never heard of one of these things before this. This is the first one of the units I've ever seen. But basically what I have found on it is that it's good light, but should I get it where I need it? Well anyway, let me brush that out. This unit right here is, I need to get some more lights in the shop, but it's very, very similar to a Miller Legend. I think this is the 92 model is what I figured out. Yeah, it's almost identical to a Miller Legend. So that's what this is. But typically the Miller Legend will have these two for welding, for DC welding, these two for AC. This one's a little different to where these two are actually for charging a DC battery. This is really designed to be on like a service truck or something, where you're gonna be charging like you're gonna be charging batteries on like a semi truck, or trying to get a truck going or something like that. Like we need to charge batteries fast, or haven't really looked into all the details with that, but once I get it going, I'll figure that out. But so this is basically what it is. It claims to only have just shy of, you can't see that. I have just shy of 1,000 hours on it, or just over 1,000, 1,022. It's a 200 amp machine, 100% duty cycle, DC only, constant current only, so you can only run, can only be a stick welder, which for me that's just fine. So that's what that is. It doesn't run at the moment, as y'all can probably tell by everything, the sheet metal taken apart. But what's happened is the guy I bought it from said, what did he say? He said the fuel pump went out and then he never got it running after that. So I was like, okay. So come to find out, I tried turning it over. It turned and then it stopped. So I was like, oh great. So what has happened is it's got the Onan performance 18 horsepower. I think it's a P218 if I'm not mistaken. Which is actually an aluminum engine. Aluminum block, I believe. Correct me if I'm wrong. So what has happened is, I wish I took some pictures yesterday of when I had this cover, had the head off, but this one cylinder, this is a spark plug that came out of it. I don't know if you can focus on that or not. What's happened is moisture got in the exhaust pipe. It did have this, but still moisture got in the system somehow. So what happened is there was a whole bunch of nasty, that color water on it, which at first I was like, crap. But then looking at it further, since it's an aluminum block, it's not gonna rust. And there's no pitting really. There's a whole bunch of built up like rust, but it's not sticking to aluminum because it's aluminum. So I put the head back on and I filled it with this Marvel's mystery oil. Best thing I guess I could find. If you have any other suggestions, I'd be more than happy to hear. But I put that in last night. I'm probably gonna keep it in a few days. I was thinking maybe Sunday. Today's Thursday. I did it last night, so and then take a look at it and see what's what. But on a side note, or not a side note, but worst case scenario, I am gonna have to see about possibly finding me a donor modal or possibly rebuilding this. I don't know if any of y'all have any experience rebuilding onans or know anybody or anything. I'd be all ears for that. I had some old onan CCKs and CCKs A's on some of the other welders that I got at the house, which I'm not a huge fan of onans in general. I kind of didn't even realize I had an onan on it when I bought it. But they're supposed to be great engines, but the biggest problem is just they're expensive. Parts are, because onan is no longer around. I think Cummins bought them out or something. Anyway, long story short, so that's where I'm at with it. And like I said, the engine's not locked up. It'll free. Basically, it turns until it hits that rust, and it stops, but it'll turn the other way just fine. That cylinder, I didn't take the head off, but just judging by the appearance of the spark plug compared to the other one, should be just fine. I may still pull the head, because just get 2 head gaskets won't be a big deal. So I'm hoping what I can do is put that in there, get most of that cleaned up, maybe get some, what's the name of that stuff? Scotch-Brite in there and just clean up and clean the cylinder good to where I can get it to move. If I can get it to move, build compression, I'll be happy. But I still might need to find me a replacement modal. The rebuild kits for these things are like $1,200 for these stupid modals. And I don't know if I could rebuild it. I am more than capable of doing it. It's just I don't know if I want to. Plus, I'm going to have to take it to machine shop and have them bowl out, if need be, bowl out the 2 cylinders, put oversized pistons in, and all that fun stuff. So, I'd much rather, if it does come down to something like that, just find a donor engine that'll work. It's got to be a onan 2P or 218P or something of that nature. I'll put it in the description what it's actually is. But yes, and it's got to be off of a Miller Welding. It can't be off. Lincoln's might be the same, I'm not sure, but it can't be off a genset or a tractor or something. They have a different crankshaft in them. They won't allow it to meet up. Ask me how I know. I had some old on those CCKs onans. I tried doing that and found out they aren't the same crankshafts. So anyway, so that's kind of where I'm at. I'm just kind of rambling at the moment. But yeah, I'm going to leave that in there a few more days, let it do what it does. If anybody have any suggestions on that or anything else I should try putting in it, feel free to leave it in the comment section below. This would be a great little unit. If I can get it going, this is going to be my skid unit. I'm going to build a skid for it and put it on the back of my Chevy pickup truck. That way I always have a welder with me, or I can put it in the back of the welding truck out there if I need 2 welders or something. But it'd be a handy little unit to have, but we'll wait and see what happens. But yeah, the engine off of it, I think that's, like I said, it should be the same as some of the Bobcats and some of the Miller Legends. The Miller Legends is like identical to the machine. I'm pretty sure the motor is the same. If I could find me an old one of them that the welder blew up on it or something, but the engine one's good, I'd be glad to buy that and try it. I still don't know if the welder worked. According to that guy, said it did, but we all know how that goes. So we'll see. But yeah, I'm gonna keep you up to date on this. Like I said, this is just gonna sit for a while and collect and just try to clean that cylinder out. I said I'm really hoping I can get it going, but we'll see. I mean, worst case, I didn't pay that. I hardly paid anything for it. Worst case scenario, I can part it out and scrap it and still make my money back, maybe make some money. But that's the deal on that. That was kind of a long video. Well, it was only 10 minutes, so not too bad. But that's that. If you have any questions, or if anybody knows anything about these machines, or even the Mill of Legends or anything like that, feel free to leave them in the comments. Any input is good. And if by chance one of you got a blown up welder with a bad generator on it and happen to have a spare motor, definitely leave in the comments or message me, and I'll definitely be interested in something like that. But we'll see. So other than that, as you can see, I'm in what I call the box, my shed at my new house, my workshop. It's a 16-foot box that came off the Welding truck. I think I mentioned it in my other video. These are for These are for a project I got going on Saturday. They are stale, not tread, stale. What are these things? Steel pans. Basically, they clean the soil. Let me see if I can draw it. Something along the lines like that, and then this get filled up with concrete, and then they just stair treads. I only got a couple to replace on this job I'm doing, and possibly I got quite a few more. I'll try taking the video, or at least some pictures, just to show y'all what I'm doing. I'm definitely probably gonna have some on my Instagram page, Noah's Welding. So if you want to check me out, check them out. But yeah, definitely go over and follow me on Instagram. I post a lot more on Instagram than YouTube just because it's kind of quicker. I want to try getting more into YouTube, and I did read some of y'all comments that I'm gonna make some more informational videos about more the business side of my welding. But I'll cross that. But probably this week I'm gonna try doing that. We'll see what happens. Yeah, and I've just been so busy. Like, I have tons of video ideas I want to do, but the problem is I've just been working so much at my day job and at Noah's Welding, so I've been going. So I need to, and with it getting dark so soon, it's kind of hard to make videos and stuff. So hopefully this weekend or next few weekends, definitely over Christmas, I'll have some time. It's only a few weeks away. I'll try knocking out some videos, but hopefully before then. But yeah, any comments, good, bad, ugly, I do want to try keeping the channel pretty clean. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe for more, and y'all have a good one.